Hello and welcome to our video. You're here today to see what Boxycharm by Ipsy gives you for $28, so let's jump right on in and find out. Let's go. There are lots of items to choose from for your box. We now get to choose 3 items. So the first thing I picked was a set of brushes. One is for complexion and one is for powder. They seem nice and soft, and I think they will do well. And the brand is beautyforreal. 2 brushes. This comes as a set, so this counts as one choice. Another choice that Anne made was a face cream in a watermelon scent, because she loves some good watermelon. Yes, I do. This is Dallasjames Skincare Company Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream, and I have given it a little bit of a try. It does have a nice watermelon scent, nothing overpowering. It goes on nicely. It doesn't leave a greasy film. So I am excited to be putting this one to some good use. And her third choice was a product from dewofthegods. This is their Q product, something new, I think. This is Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. I've used some body scrubs by dewofthegods in the past, and I was very pleased. So I thought I would take the opportunity to give this one a try. So those were the 3 items that Anne got to pick. Leave a comment down below. Which one do you like best? And now moving right along with this video. The way that the rest of the box operates is 2 items are picked for you based upon the beauty profile that you set up when you sign up for the box. I have mine set for makeup heavy, and one of the items, I saw it when I was making my choices, one of the items said it was a setting powder. Normally, I'm not a setting powder person. It aggravates my allergies. It gives me a headache. It makes my eyes water. However, we might have found a winner this time. The setting powder that they picked for me is in this cute little package, and it is by ciatelondon, and it is called Watermelon Burst. And I do love me some good watermelon. So I had to give it a try, because when I opened the box, I couldn't smell anything. Usually the talc and or the mica in setting powders, it sets off my allergies. Sometimes, like I said, as soon as I open the box, I can smell it, and my eyes start to itch and run, and my nose gets runny, and all kinds of other issues. This, if I didn't know it was there, I would not have known it was there until I looked at the box description. So I gave it a try today. It's not bugging my allergies. It does smell like a faint watermelon. The smell does not linger, but during application, there is a watermelon scent. So I think this cute little ciatelondon product, we might have us a winner for a setting powder for hot and humid days, which goodness knows we've had our share of hot days. We normally don't get too much humidity, but we seem to be leaning towards a little humidity, so I think I'm going to try putting this to some use. How exciting! Yes! The other item that they picked for me is an eyeshadow palette. This is by Violet Voss. It is the berriesncreamdreams. And here we are with a mirror, so let's not blind everybody. Yes, this looks nice. Yes, just the right combination for me of fun pink snazzy colors with enough neutrals to balance things out. And this means I get to do swatches. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. As always, Miss Fatima the Camel, that was a lovely job with these swatches. Thank you. What color did you like the best? Let us know in the comments down below. Boxycharm by Ipsy gives you the opportunity to earn points if you review a product that you received within the month that the box shows up. So I've been doing that for a while, and I had quite a lot of points, and I've slowly been using those points to get other items so that they would not expire. And we've got a couple items that she got with points. Frechbeauty had a cactus and vitamin C lotion or moisturizer. So it sounded intriguing. So this is the box. I haven't gotten into it yet because I'm finishing up some others. Yet this looked interesting, and its name is something I can't say on YouTube or I'll get in trouble. The other item Anne picked was a little bit disappointing. Yeah, it's not a disaster, but it is kind of funny how something looks one size online, and then when you get it, it's a lot smaller. This is an ABH brow brush and spoolie. I really don't do much with my brows. I let them run wild and free. So I wasn't planning on doing anything with the spoolie end. A lot of times with the brush, I will use it for eyeshadow application. I know, that's strange, but it's the way it works sometimes. With that being said, this is a lot smaller than what I was anticipating, and it's a lot more stiff. So we're just gonna package this one back up and put it into the Find a New Home box for a future giveaway or gift as needed. What did you think of what she got with her points? Have you tried those items? So now taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, in addition to all your items, they enclose this newspaper pamphlet type thing that, if you ask me, it would have been better to have more padding in the package, but what do I know? So it tells you about all of their products. It encourages you to scan codes and sign up for other boxes and other things. So for your $28, you get 5 full-sized items. You get to make the 3 choices. It's $28 a month, and then there's a $2 fee, and then there's taxes. Shipping is free. So all in, it's about $30, and the value that you're guaranteed is up to $200. So all things considered, it is, I think, usually a good return on the investment. And if you sign up for quarterly or annual subscriptions, the box price does come down, but you have to pay for the entire segment all at once. So I pay annually, so that gets me down to about $25 plus tax. the items that I got with my points, I spent 1,200 points for the ABH brush that has an $18 value, and I spent 1,800 points for the frechbeauty moisturizer, and that has a value of $32. And then for the monthly box, the Power Picks, in other words, what they chose for you, for me, the Violet Voss is $37 for the eyeshadow palette, and the ciatelondon watermelon setting powder is $22. And then my choices that I made were $42 for the set of 2 brushes and $48 for the watermelon cream by dallasjames and $22 for the dewofthegods body scrub. And so all total, this was a $171 value box. I'm pleased. Yes, this sounds like a good one this month. Yes, it was. And in even better and much more happier news, at least for those of us on the West Coast, the time and the amount of time for making our choices has been increased. So, it used to be on the 2nd of every month, you could sign in either on the 2nd or the 3rd to make your choices. And they had it set for 7 a.m. Eastern time. I live on the West Coast. That's 4 o'clock in the morning. Granted, I probably could sign in later, but I was having major cases of FOMO and wanted to be sure I got good picks or good choices. They have now changed that because Anne complained a lot. Well, I don't think I'm the only one that complained, but I did complain a lot. So we will now have from the 1st to the 3rd of every month to sign in to make our choices. And the really great news is they've changed the sign-in time, and I even checked with them, double-checked on Instagram direct messaging with them just to confirm that this was in relationship to all future boxes, not just the September box. So that they said this is all future boxes. You get 3 days, and the time starts at 12 p.m. Pacific time. So I am most excited about that one. We thank you for joining us today. Comment, like, subscribe to our channel. Don't want to miss out on any more fun adventures. Hit that notification bell. Share the video. Check out a video that's popping up on the screen, and we do hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.